Stop. If you're thinking about buying AiChat, there's something you need to know first. Because this software claims it can send your affiliate links, offers, and messages to over 3 billion Facebook and Instagram users. Without building an email list, without paying for ads, and without any technical skills. Sounds insane, right? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you exactly what AiChat is, what's inside, the pros, the cons, who it's actually for, and whether it's worth your money or just another overhyped launch product. And make sure you stay until the end, because I've prepared over $1,000 worth of exclusive bonuses for anyone who picks up AiChat through my link. Let's find out. What is AiChat? AiChat is essentially an AI-powered Facebook and Instagram autoresponder. According to the creators, it can find targeted leads, send automated messages, create AI-powered conversations, manage social media activity, build affiliate stores, collect emails and phone numbers, and help promote affiliate offers automatically. Everything runs from the cloud, so there's nothing to install. Just log in and start using it. Benefits. Why people are interested. Here are the biggest reasons. It combines multiple tools into one dashboard. It uses AI-generated conversations that are designed to sound natural. It includes social media automation features. Inside AiChat, you'll get Facebook and Instagram messaging automation, AI-powered chatbot technology, lead generation tools, social media post and story automation, built-in affiliate promotions, drag and drop affiliate store builder, commercial license, training videos, customer support, and cloud-based access. Everything is designed to be beginner-friendly. Honest pros and cons. Now let's keep this review honest. Pros. Beginner-friendly, cloud-based software, multiple marketing tools under one roof, commercial license included, AI chatbot automation, social media management features. Cons. Income claims should always be viewed realistically. Results depend on how you use the software. Additional upgrades may be offered after purchase, and traffic and conversions are never guaranteed. Results. What to expect. If you're expecting to buy AiChat today and become rich tomorrow, that's probably not going to happen. However, if you use the training, consistently promote offers, build campaigns, and leverage the automation tools properly, AiChat could help save time and automate parts of your marketing workflow. Think of it as a marketing tool, not a magic button. Let's talk about bonuses you get when you buy through my link. Bonus 1. AI Affiliate Marketing History Pack. Value $4.97. Learn how to create high-converting review videos, bonus pages, and affiliate campaigns that generate commissions consistently. Bonus 2. 100 ready-to-use AI marketing prompts. Vault. Value $5.97. Get a collection of powerful prompts for content creation, affiliate promotions, email marketing, YouTube scripts, social media posts, and AI-powered business growth. Total bonus value $1,094 plus, for yours free through my link. So, is AiChat worth it? If you're looking for an AI-powered marketing platform that combines messaging automation, lead generation, social media tools, chatbot technology, and affiliate marketing features in one place, then AiChat is definitely worth checking out. If you want to secure AiChat along with my exclusive bonuses, click the first link in the description right now before bonuses expires. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.